Alright, so greetings again, all great people of our sacred planet. Tundes, Stargate Communication. That's where you find us on the social media platform. Um, and today now we just step on a different vibe. Yeah, we step on another community vibe, you know. Yeah, so we want to see what go on in the spaces and in the places. So we just forward out in the right time too. Yeah. Nature just bust out and show what go on with the rainfall. Remember again now we dep on the Augustown, the road leading into Augustown from John Golden Rehabilitation Center. You understand that? Good. So we are going to look and observe. Yeah, this take approximately a year and 7 months to deal with. However though, we give thanks that something has been done. Uh, One of the things them where I would have did do if I build this, Tundes building technology. Yeah, you see right here, so now I would have did carry it over more. Why I would have do that? Because I would have leave space so when them are go widen them section near the road. Yeah, them not have no problem for do that. See it? And now because we say that now means so we are try tear down our, you know, this the ones them will build it. We highlight the positive and highlight the negative. Pick up the positive and remedy the negative. Cool, but a certain go. But me like the work though. Yeah, in terms of certain design. Yeah, me love certain elements of the work and thing. Yeah. But like I said, them basket yeah. Yeah, means not a builder will favor them basket. Yeah, just because over time they have never seemed to hold up. Yeah, it can't give 200 years or 100 years. Let alone give 50. Yeah, I think everything that where you build will have a maximum lifespan. So you know, so when it's near the lifespan there, you have to go again and do your renovations or your preservation. You see it? So we have to go down in another place here now. We're going to find a way to go down there. Yeah, man, we're going to find a way to go down there, man, and see how we can, yeah, get a little view. Yeah, a view of the view. Yes, sir. So, because we can actually start to see the erosion start to take place already, you know. Yeah, man, we can sight that. I'm going to show the eye there. See it? So, watch down here, sir, now. See that? Yeah, that's why I'm going to tell you, so them farmer things, yeah? Yeah. So, we're going to forward one at the time when them is here. Because we want to know if them are going to build something. It's like how them put that concrete thing down there, so now with the water run out. Yeah, I want to find out if them are going to put a concrete retaining wall right here, so alongside the whole of that stretcher. Because remember now, somebody yard this again, you know. See that right there, sir? You're going that a small yard. So, yeah, I don't understand if the people them we are building now think about that or them not care. Yeah, so you need something from both sides over there so to hold everything. Alright, so I go and walk so far. Alright, so ready again. Yeah, ready and at them again. Alright, so where we are see over here so now? Cutting down at the trees again. What the purpose is, I don't know. While we want to get the best shot as possible, we still have to watch the foundation where we stand up because yeah, the soil disturbed. So you know when the soil disturbed how it go. So as we look out further now, we can see what go on. See it? Yeah, and the gadgets are new too. So see with me, my people. Yeah, the camera kind of newish, so we know we still have study it. All right, so watch down this now. Down this what you call part of the riverbed, you know. You don't see how much house you know I see down in this. Not the one them on the far side of the mountain where the mall hole dig out, but down in the riverbed. See it? House is that, you know. Yeah. And the vantage point, yeah. Yeah, I can look and I see a couple of them houses there have water in an outside part of the yard. But yeah, so return to that. But we want to focus a little bit on yesterday. See it? Alright, so this I don't overstand it though. I no that way I channel out the water there so. That could have go right down in on the flat, you know. Cause you see over time now, down there so I go erode. Hey, sometimes you know. Anyhow, we are going to observe. We see someone's a forward. We don't know if we can get to talk to them. Some people afraid of camera, but such is it. So let's go and view. And we'll get wet up here, so we have to pass here a little. So let's forward with it. Alright, so we're at it again. Good. So we want to zoom in now. Show the item want to go on a little bit. Yeah. So we did that showing us the houses them down there so. Yeah, I'm a light. Light in a sort out, so I try angle it. Evening now. Yeah, I'm still not happy with that zoom there. Yeah, but you know, I have an idea now how I want. See? So we zoom in. Yeah. Them their houses right along the stretch there, so. Alright? Yeah, all of that are houses and that are down, that are part of the riverbed. Yeah. The river with that further up more over there, so. Yeah. So there them see the amount of houses. So in the middle there so with the river bed there. See it? Yeah. So that's pretty much how that is for now. Alright. So we'll give the item a better shot there. Yeah, so yeah, that not safe to live still. I not build no house in a riverbed. But that is another issue again. Because people not get no land. We indigenous people not get no land. So that's the situation there. So yeah, this is how we look. This is how we look, my people. Yeah. Next side of the whole road. Yeah, but I still want to reach down there so because yeah, I want to see how best it hold up. Because remember it's not complete yet, you know. So if it not hold up and it not done yet, then it not go hold up after that. I see the whole of the over there so naked. Yeah. Slide the whole of that slide over there so. Let's go on forward with it, yeah.